Ashwagandha has been relied on for centuries as a natural remedy to enhance sleep quality. The species name, somnifera, actually translates to sleep-inducing, highlighting its traditional use as a sedative and relaxing nervine. Modern research supports these historical uses, showing that ashwagandha can help reduce the time it takes to fall asleep and improve overall sleep quality. Studies suggest that one way it may work is by regulating cortisol levels, helping your body to manage stress more effectively, while, in turn, it promotes a deeper sleep. So let's look at a few specific studies regarding Withania somnifera for sleep. In a randomized control trial published in 2021, researchers tested ashwagandha's ability to promote sleep in both healthy volunteers and people diagnosed with insomnia. This was done alongside a placebo, so some people received ashwagandha and others didn't. At the end of the 8-week trial, they found that in both the healthy and the insomnia folks, those who took the ashwagandha root extract, there was a significant improvement in sleep parameters. And notably, the improvement was found to be more significant in the people with insomnia rather than those without sleep issues. The researchers in this study concluded, the present study confirms that Withania somnifera root extract can improve sleep quality and can help in managing insomnia. They also noted that the ashwagandha root extract was well tolerated by all the participants, irrespective of their health condition and age. Ashwagandha has a long history as a powerful medicine, yet it feels perfectly suited for the challenges of today. Whether you're juggling with work, family, school, or just the daily stress we all experience, there's growing interest in how herbs, like ashwagandha, can support us. I recently came across an interesting study that explored this very topic, focusing specifically on college students. College life is an exciting time, but it's also no secret that it comes with its fair share of stress and anxiety and the overwhelming pressure to perform. Many students report that these challenges negatively impact not just their grades, but their overall well-being too. This is where Withania somnifera's gifts can truly shine. In this study, 60 college students took either ashwagandha or a placebo for 30 days. The results were really positive. Those who took ashwagandha reported feeling more energized, mentally clear, and better able to sleep. In short, ashwagandha helped those students feel more balanced and resilient in the face of their daily stress. What I find especially meaningful about this study is that it didn't just focus on numbers or lab results, it explored the real lived experiences of those students. Their stories reveal how this humble root can support well-being in profound ways. For students, and really for all of us, this is a beautiful reminder that herbs offer powerful tools to help us navigate the stresses of modern life. In another recent 8-week study, researchers explored the effects of a high concentration ashwagandha root extract on stress and sleep. This study was particularly interesting because it didn't just look at one dosage, it varied the dosage to see how different amounts of ashwagandha would impact stress, anxiety, and sleep quality. 60 adults participated, each experiencing significant levels of stress before the study began. Over the course of 8 weeks, they took either 250 milligrams or 600 milligrams of this ashwagandha extract, or a placebo, twice daily. The results were pretty impressive. Both the doses of ashwagandha significantly reduced stress levels and lowered serum cortisol, which is often referred to as the stress hormone. However, the 600 milligram dose had a more pronounced effect, leading to greater reductions in both stress and cortisol levels compared to the 250 milligram dose. In addition to these benefits, participants in both dosage groups reported noticeable improvements in their sleep quality. So what I love about this study is how it reinforces something many of us already know. Herbs like ashwagandha can offer profound support in our day-to-day lives, especially when we're feeling overwhelmed. Whether it's helping us manage stress or improving our sleep, ashwagandha invites us to find balance and well-being even in the midst of life's challenges. So if stress and restless nights have become all too familiar, ashwagandha might just be the herbal ally you need to restore a sense of calm and improve your sleep. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.